You probably have Tylenol in your medicine cabinet right now, but what if I told you it could be doing more harm than good? Millions rely on Tylenol for headaches and fever, trusting it as a safe go-to. But beneath that familiar relief lies a potential for serious side effects that most people are completely unaware of. Today, we're uncovering the three critical risks associated with Tylenol and, more importantly, how to use it safely to protect your health. The biggest challenge with Tylenol, or acetaminophen, is how easily we underestimate its power. It's so common, we forget it's a strong medication. The first major risk is severe liver damage. Taking too much, even slightly over the recommended dose or mixing it with alcohol, can silently injure your liver, sometimes irreversibly. It's not always obvious until it's too late. Secondly, there's a surprising link to rare but serious skin reactions. These can start with flu-like symptoms and quickly turn into painful rashes and blistering requiring emergency care. And thirdly, newer research suggests a possible increased risk of kidney problems with long-term high-dose use. This isn't just about overdosing, it's about prolonged, seemingly normal usage. To use Tylenol safely, always read the label carefully, never take more than the recommended dose in 24 hours, and avoid combining it with other medicines containing acetaminophen. When in doubt, always talk to your doctor or pharmacist. Don't miss our next video on common medication mistakes.